Right, Tagalog time. It is a new one. Let's divide this into both English and Tagalog. Tagalog first, then English. Ito, word ulit. Salamat ulit. Thanks again. Sumasagi ulit sa kanya ang damdamin ng pangungulila. A familiar feeling of loneliness again sweeps over her. Kakandidato ulit ang alkaldeng may kasong kriminal. The mayor with a criminal case will run for office again. Lulutang ulit ang kanilang mga problema. Their problems will resurface. Umuulan ulit. It's raining again. Kinabukasan, nakasalubong ko ulit siya. The next day, I encountered him again. Kinabukasan, nakasalubong ko ulit siya. The next day, I encountered him again. Salamat ulit. Thanks again. Subukan mo ulit. Try again. Natalo ulit sila. They lost again. Huwag ka nang uminom ulit. You shouldn't take to drinking again. Maaari ka bang tumawag ulit mamaya? Could you call again later, please? Nais ko maging normal ulit ang lahat. I want everything to go back to normal. Pakinggan mo ang album ulit at sabihin mo sa akin mamaya kung gusto mo. Listen to the album again and tell me later if you like it. Paulit-ulit. Ang mga kinakanta ni Maria ay paulit-ulit lang. The things Maria is singing, just keep on repeating. Paulit-ulit na pinaalalahanan ang madla tungkol sa pagsunod sa mga panuntunan. The people were repeatedly reminded about obeying the rules. Paulit-ulit kong naririnig ang litanya mong iyan. I hear your litany over and over again. Paulit-ulit na nagsasanay si Damian para mapanalunan ang kampeonato. Damian is training repeatedly to win the championship. Magkakabuti ba sa anak mo kung paulit-ulit mo siyang pagagalitan? Will your child be better off if you repeatedly scold him? Ito. Ulitin. Infinitive, ulitin. Completed, past, inulit. Uncompleted, present, inuulit. Contemplated, future, ulitin. Ulitin mo nga. Say it again, please. Repeat it, please. Ulitin mo ang sinabi mo. Say that again. Usually confrontational. Inulit ni Bill ang kanyang homework. Bill did his homework all over again. Inuulit ko lang ang sinabi ko kanina. I'm just reiterating what I said earlier. Ulitin ba natin ang Avatar? Are we going to watch Avatar all over again? Huwag mo na yang uulitin. Don't do that again. An admonishment. Don't do that again. Huwag mo na yang uulitin. Ulitin mo. Do it again. Inulit ko ang paghuhugas ng kawali kasi marumi pa rin. I washed the frying pan again because it was still dry. Masasaktan ka talaga sa akin kapag inulit mo pa yan. You are really going to get it from me if you do that again. Ilang beses na kitang pinatatawad pero inuulit mo pa rin. I have already forgiven you a number of times yet you still do it again. Hindi ko ulitin. I will not do it again. Dapat ko bang ulitin? Do I have to do it over again? Pwede mo bang ulitin yun? Can you say that again? Huwag mong ulitin ang sarili mo. Don't repeat yourself. Pwede mo bang ulitin ang sinabi mo? Can you repeat what you said? Ayaw kong ulitin ang taon. Dapat pumasa ako sa exam. I cannot repeat the year. I must pass the exam. Huwag mong ulitin ang salitang iyan sa loob ng bahay ng Diyos. Don't repeat that word in God's house. Maulit. Infinitive, maulit. Naulit, completed, past. Nauulit, uncompleted, present. Mauulit, contemplated, future. Sana hindi na maulit ito. I hope this doesn't happen again. Hindi na siya naulit ng pagpunta dito. He didn't repeat his visit here. Kailan kaya mauulit ang kasayahan nating ito? I wonder when we'll have this fun gathering again. Pasensya na po kayo, hindi na po mauulit. Ma'am, I ask for your leniency. It won't happen again. Pasensya na po kayo, hindi na po mauulit. Hindi na mauulit. I will not do it again. Hindi na mauulit. Umulit. Infinitive, umulit. Umulit, completed, past. Umuulit, uncompleted, present. Uulit, contemplated, future. Umulit. Umulit ang kanyang sakit. He had a relapse. Huwag ka nang uulit. Don't do that again. An admonishment. Isip mo bang ulitin ang parang ganun? Isip mo bang uulit ang parang ganun? Do you think something like that will repeat itself? Ulit-ulitin. Infinitive. Completed past, inulit-ulit. Uncompleted present, inuulit-ulit. Contemplated future, uulit-ulitin. Pakiulit. Pakiulit nga ang kakasabi mo. Pakiulit nga ang kakasabi mo. Could you please repeat what you just said? Could you please repeat what you just said? Pakiulit nga ang kakasabi mo.